Well, hey everyone, Lisa here. Hey, did you catch our huge launch of our miniseries tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern Time on QVC? Tara and Rick Domeier were on QVC and just showing so many amazing harvest items. Not sure if you had a chance to see it, but we did promise tonight that we were going to announce the winners of, do you remember? We asked you to name Wembley, the new name who Pauline Kelly gave us on our new reindeer. Do you remember Wembley? Well, Pauline, we haven't heard from you yet. So first of all, we need you to email customer service and just let them know that you are the winner and that we need your name and address. And if you can give us your name, address, and phone number, we're going to send you that amazing pedestal set. Hey Molly, hey Noelle. Oh, everybody who's in the chat is here. Hey Kaylin, hi Liv, hi Brilliant Braggs. What a great name. Hi Monica, hi Melissa. So, da-na-na-na-na-na. Remember this? We have that great mitt and towel set. I'm holding it for you in Buffetti. That should be coming on later this month. Just a reminder that we honestly don't know when everything is coming on to QVC. So stay tuned to our calendar on our website, and that will keep you with the most up-to-date. As soon as we know it, we let you know it. So hi Sandy, hi Erin, hi Elizabeth, hi Tina, and I wanted to let you know who the winners. We picked two of them randomly for trying to name the name of our reindeer. Now Pauline Kelly named our reindeer Wembley, but Joanne Zaccardi Finkel. Just wanted to let you know that we picked your name out of a hat and that we're going to send you this amazing towel and mitt set. Here's what you need to do. You need to email customer service at temptations.com. Temptations has the hyphen in it, and just give them your name, address, and phone number and let them know that you're one of the winners. Hi Betty, hi Darlene, hi Betty again, hi Layla. Oh my gosh, so many people here. And then hold on, we have another winner, Diane Stinson. So Diane Stinson and Joanne Zaccardi Finkel, or anybody who knows them, needs to let them know that they won, and they need to email customer service along with Pauline Kelly. So, hey, hola, I love that. Hi Maria, how are you? Marissa, Karen, Tiffany, Pamela, I hope you all saw Tara and Rick Domeier for our show, because we have a one-time only. Also, we have these amazing mini canisters that you don't want to miss out on. Also, Tara was just on with those amazing mini loaf pans. Remember those? Available in the Classic and the Harvest. And she's still in David's show. We'll be on again in about 15 minutes or so, because our big deal, that pricing ends tonight. So if you haven't checked that out, check it out, because it's amazing and it's on Easy Pay and it's all great. Noelle, I know. We hope everybody there is safe too. We heard there's lots of crazy storms here in Westchester, Pennsylvania. So, Stacy, hey, how are you? I'm going to run back. Tara's backstage, so I'm going to run back with her, but love the winners and stay tuned. We have so much more going on this weekend. We will see you on Saturday in the Kitchen with Mary. And then wait, Tara is going to be on, this is so much fun, with Kim Gravel, 9 p.m. on the QVC main channel on Saturday night, bringing you our brand new carafe and tumbler set, and then on again on Sunday with two brand new items in the Kitchen with David. You know, it's been a long few days. That's all I have to say. Anyway, great to see you all, and stay tuned. We will see you soon on Facebook Live.